Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's Ajwritescrypto, and welcome to the first video on our second channel called Trade Crypto Today. Ajwritescrypto has become sort of a jambalaya of all things crypto, whether it's price predictions or Polymarket, sports bets, or Andrew Tate interviews, which is coming out tomorrow, and it has just become all things AJ, all things crypto. And I specifically am making this second channel, Trade Crypto Today, because one, I want to challenge myself to make one video every day for at least a year. This is day one. And the concept of this channel is simple. I'm going to give you one technical analysis setup, one trade chart every single day. A lot of these videos will probably only be 3 or 4 minutes long, but it's, hey, look at this chart, look at this setup, set this alarm, win this trade, make this money. If you want more charts like this one here, this first chart I'm actually going to show you initially started on my Telegram group. My Telegram group has been doing very well. We have over 300 active traders in there. If you want to join the group, make sure you send me an email to ajalphagroup@gmail.com. And there's actually a second Telegram group coming just for Polymarket because we're going to kind of separate no sweat bets from the crypto stuff, which is why this channel, this second channel, is a part of the new equation of this is me doubling down on myself, doubling down on my content. So if you follow me over at Ajwritescrypto, make sure you come subscribe to this new channel. And if you've never watched me on YouTube before, welcome. Go follow my other channel, and we're going to do all the things all the time. So today we're going to start off with no other than Dogecoin. Dogecoin has had a hell of a run. The past couple years, we know what this thing is capable of. If you scroll back on this chart and look at 2021, we know what this thing can do. From the doldrums of 2020 to the top of 2021, I mean, what are we talking? 14,000% in 122 days or something like that. I'm not saying Doge can do that again, but I do think Doge can do very well, and I mean very well, as we move towards our bull run. We are approaching Q4 of 2025. I think the real bull run will happen at the end of this year, maybe bleed into 2026. And Dogecoin is a coin I'm not going to sleep on. Why? Something just happened on the Doge chart that has only happened 2 other times since, I guess really November of 2023. And that is a bull cross on the daily chart, as in the 50 EMA getting above the 200 EMA. Right here, it happened in 2023. We saw 231% pump in 153 days. Right here, we got another one that was in October of 2024. We saw a 313% pump in 45 days. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We have had our bull cross again on the daily chart. Since the day of the bull cross, Doge is up 34% in 52 days, but we are only in September. We just got our first rate cut in 9 months today. I think Doge is about to enter the previous, box of price action, where if you kind of look at where it was literally just rejected a couple days ago, and the bottom of this value area level here, the alarm you want to set, the bullish alarm for Doge you want to set, is 33.07. So almost 31 cents is a massive bull alarm for Doge, because you kind of look at so this here is a value area, and then this here is a value area, and that support resistance level at 0.307, that is the difference between here and here. Okay, so let's just look. If, say, we go back, say Doge just gets back to 48 cents from not the current price, but from 307, that would be about a 57% gain. Not bad. I'm all good for a leverage trade that goes up 57%. Not bad at all. So zoomed out daily chart, make sure that alarm 0.307 is set. Zooming in, this is now a 12-minute chart. And this setup right here, I actually gave my Telegram group. when we were, see how we kind of have these boxes set up, okay? And this is how Doge kind of has fallen in a range. So I noticed to the group, I said, okay, guys, so we spent in this box about 22 hours inside of a 3.5% range between 29.2 and 28.14. Basically postulating if the 28.14 alarm goes off right here to go short. And that is exactly what happened, like I told my group to do in the Telegram group. And that was good. Over 19 hours, Doge fell 7.6%. So that is a win for the Telegram group. Well done, everybody. But guess what? Things have happened since then. Anytime you see a coin go sideways, like this right here, Doge went sideways for 2 days and 13 hours. It was stuck in a 5% range. And let's be very clear. I don't care about the range. I care about the break. The longer something ranges, good. That's just setting up when that range breaks. That's your trade. It's that simple. We are not guessing. We are reacting to the market. And that's how I've made millions of dollars trading crypto. It's that simple. All right. So now Doge has not only got back above this old box, but now it's back into the 2814 range where we spent this time before here. So Doge can do one of two things. Doge can peak here, turn back around, set this alarm off at 2814, and we could target this short again, the same short we already hit before. The step one is 3.5%. Step two is 7.6%. We could do that, or we wait for this alarm to go off. And when this alarm goes off, we target 307, almost 31 cents, which is a 5% trade. But remember, this with this zoomed in chart, this is the day trade stuff. This is the alarms you're setting if you're trying to scalp trade. But remember, 0.307, that is the alarm. That is the difference between this value area and the doldrums of 2025. And also keep in mind, bullish strength. We do have this continuation of an uptrend for Doge, also a continuation of a longer term uptrend for Doge. Doge is looking very good. And I also wanted to point out here on the 12-minute chart, if you look at Market Cipher, if you use the code TATE for Market Cipher, you get 30% off your subscription. Look at this setup here. I mean, this was beautiful. As Doge kind of just traded sideways, as Doge just traded kind of down the hill here, Market Cipher, anchor wave, trigger wave, trigger wave, trigger wave, and just built up. That is a perfect Market Cipher setup. And that is what led to the break of this alarm right here. Right here. And that led to, this 5% trade in literally 4 hours. So basically, I did kind of go into a lot of details there, but big picture, 0.307 is the bull alarm for Doge. These other alarms here, let me just get rid of all this stuff. 292, 2814, 2722, and 26, where 26 is the cannot lose floor. Why can't we lose 26? Because 26, if you zoom all the way out here, you will notice that 26 was the top of this run all the way back here. May of this year was the very top. So just how this level separates this value area from this out value area, that 26-cent alarm would actually be a very bearish level, because that separates, the area we're in to previous price action. So 26 cents is a very bearish alarm, and 0.307 is a very bullish alarm. And these middle alarms that we spoke of are the scalp trade alarms. So guys, these are the types of setups, the types of ideas you are going to get here on Trade Crypto today. I want this to be a beginner-friendly channel. Not every day is going to be heavy technical analysis. Some days are going to be more beginner trades. Some days are going to be more advanced trades, but we are going to make a video every single day. Have a safe rest of your day. Subscribe to the new channel. Get ready for the Andrew Tate interview tomorrow. Get rich or get wrecked. Peace. And also, I know this channel is going to take time to build. We're starting from zero again. But I have no problem starting from zero. I have no problem doubling down on myself and doubling down on my content again. I did it in my 20s. I did it in my mid late 20s. I'm doing it again in my 30s. It's okay to double down on yourself. Take a chance on yourself. Get rich or get wrecked. Smash the like button. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.